Have you heard your family or friends talk about thyroid and wonder what it was? Well, it's a condition where your thyroid gland, located in the middle of your lower neck, does not produce enough thyroid hormone. But your thyroid gland is responsible for making hormones that regulate your energy, metabolism, mood, heart rate, and other important functions. When it is not functioning properly, you will see symptoms like weight gain, fatigue, depression, and dry skin and hair. There are many food items that contain the nutrients your thyroid gland need to be healthy. Berries. Berries have low glycemic index, which means they lead to no insulin spikes and less fat storage, which is very beneficial for your thyroid. They are also high in antioxidants, which benefit your thyroid as well. Research has shown that people with thyroid have higher levels of harmful free radicals. Your thyroid will like anything that help detoxifying your body, and berries are a great help. From strawberries, blueberries, and ripe berries, any berry is good for you. The choice is yours. Apples. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. There are a reason for this saying. Apples are rich in pectin, a gelatinous fiber that help clear your body. Studies have shown that pectin significantly increase the excretion of toxic metals in the body by 74%. If you eat enough apples, your body will flush the bad stuff away. Chicken and beef. Chicken and beef are rich in zinc, which is another key nutrient for your thyroid. If you take in too little zinc, it can lead to thyroid disease. Chicken and beef are a great source as 1 3-ounce serving of beef chunk roast contains 7 mg, a 3-ounce beef pate contains 3 mg, and a 3-ounce serving of dark chicken meat contains 2.4 mg of zinc. Yogurt. Every spoonful of yogurt acts as a protective shield for your thyroid. It is because yogurt is naturally rich in vitamin D, and not getting enough of this vitamin puts you at a higher risk of obesity and thyroid disease. Vitamin D also has immunity boosting and anti-inflammatory properties which protect your thyroid from damage. In addition to vitamin D, yogurt is also rich in prebiotics that help balance the good bacteria in your gut. Brazil nuts. Brazil nuts are loaded with a lesser known mineral called selenium. It is essential on switch to proper thyroid function, converting the T4 hormone into active T3. This essential minerals also protects your thyroid gland from inflammatory byproduct of thyroid hormone productions. Although they are good source of selenium, avoid consuming too much selenium. Limit your intake to 1 to 3 Brazil nuts per day. Chickpeas. One of the major problems associated with thyroid is constipation. Chickpeas are very high in fiber content that can help control constipation. Chickpeas are not only high in fiber, they also contain zinc, an important nutrient for healthy thyroid function. There are lots of ways to add chickpeas to your meals. You can eat them in salads or toast them in olive oil along with Brussels sprouts and cauliflower, then roast them in a 400-degree over until tender. Sardines. These nutrient-rich small oily fish are excellent source for supporting thyroid function. They are rich in omega-3 fatty acids which can reduce inflammation and boost your immunity. This lowers your risk of developing any thyroid-related disease. People with thyroid disorder have difficulty in producing fatty acids that their body needs for smooth function, and sardines help provide the optimum amount of these fatty acids. Sardines can be difficult to eat plain, so you might want to use them in a recipe. Have you or anyone you know suffering from thyroid disease? Let us know in the comments below. If you like this video, then hit that like button and subscribe Fruits and Veggies.